At para po hindi masyadong burdensome sa ating mga prosecutors to engage with the media while studying with the articles that they will be presenting, the evidences that they will be presenting to the court.
Congressman, nabanggit nyo na isa sa magiging katungkulan nyo ay yung paglaban sa fake news. Reserve ko sana kay Professor ang tanong, pero tanong ko na rin sa inyo. Alam naman natin, it's a battle of optics. Battle of the heart, hearts and mind. Tanong ko po sa inyo, ano gagawin ninyo kapag nagsulputan na yung mga nagko-comment sa mga social media account? Of course, alam niyo naman ito. Pag tinrace mo kung saan nagbumula yung mga accounts na ito, Madagascar, Shanghai, Korea, Indonesia. Paano nyo lalabanan yung ganitong ano?
Well, unang-una, mag-engage talaga tayo sa any platform that we can actually use in order to reach a much wider audience para makombat yung fake news. Pero sinasabi ko po, when we talk about the impeachment trial, all of us are stakeholders eh. Hindi lang po ang House Prosecution Team. So, napapanaw na po na lahat po tayo, and now I'm actually requesting the participation of all the society. Kasi this is a whole nation approach dapat if you are really standing on the principle of accountability. It does not make one, since na you're not part of a public service, it doesn't make you, kumbaga parang non-participative in a discussion where we're talking about the accountability mechanism of the Constitution and promoting and upholding the Constitution. So if we are actually in favor of, making sure that our Constitution is alive and well, all of us should also help in preserving the sanctity of the impeachment court. Meaning, we need to combat the fake news, no? So, una, from our end, we will definitely hold press briefing, regular press briefing, para po ma-counter yung mga narrative na mali. Pangalawa, we would also engage with other platforms that would give our audience a much easier access for information that is sourced directly from the trial itself and from the House Prosecution Team. And again, the participation of the public, that's why we're also encouraging the public to be more active, no, in fact-checking and knowing which information is accurate and which information are maliciously released for propaganda purposes to serve a certain interest of a certain group.
Okay. I don't want to sound trivial, ano?